thank you for joining me. I'm going to do a quick YouTube video. I'm currently at Audi. Don't worry, I'm not getting one. You can see my Z in the background there, and just here we have one of my best friends' Z. He's just changed the injectors, and unfortunately one's leaking, so it looks like we might have to sort it out while he's getting everything up to, garage open and everything. So this is his UK version 300ZX twin turbo. It was an automatic to begin with, it's now a manual, so a manual twin turbo now. As you can see, it's in really good condition. Standard alloys, standard everything except the exhaust. Your little joker. What exhaust is it?
Exhaust?
Yeah. Jap speed. Yeah. You doing it in there?
No.
Are you doing it? Oh god, that's not good.
Yeah, pissing out. Everywhere's hot. Yeah, look at it. That one's alright. Even cylinder 6, which was fucked.
Yeah.
Right, I'm gonna try and... I'm happy it's that one.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, you can see, can't
I
you?
can
That it's
fucking
coming
get
out.
into that one. I'm videoing me fix my car.
I am. You're going on YouTube, Jake.
Why? Because it got falling this side.
Yes.
This side's alright. I've got one that's leaking.
It's that one.
That one. Right, I need anchors. I need more tools and more seals that I don't have.
That's. We've not got any O-rings.
I've got the bottom injector seals.
Yeah.
I think it's the top one that's leaking.
Right.
No, it's just spilling out the rail.
Yeah.
Might have some spare.
Yeah, we had a look. This one is leaking. You can smell it. It stinks. Obviously, you can't because you're at the other side of a screen. But yeah, so Jake spent all his time getting it running right. He bought the car for £200. Oh, hold on.
It's piss wet through.
Oh yeah, you can see, can't you?
Bastard.
Oh god, yeah. It's good job it didn't ignite, mate.
Yeah. Well, there's not much for it to ignite on because all the hot bits are down here.
Yeah, that's true.
But middle of V will get hot.
Plenum off?
No.
No? What, are you going to do it with the Plenum on?
I'm going to attempt.
Oh god.
There are ways and means of
God,
getting
yeah, it's all over, isn't it?
It's pissing out at the bottom at rail or and underneath the injector.
Oh, right.
Right, what can I do? Take me out. Them off.
That hot?
Life lesson, kids. Don't buy a 300.
Very true.
Take him off. Why did they make everything so hot?
Oh dear. God, it's covered in petrol. Do not buy a 300. You have some great problems. I think the turbos are also going on this car, but Jake doesn't care. He's a mechanic. He does not care.
I work so far away from my toolbox.
Can't you just move it in there?
Oh, it's gonna be. It's hot.
Just drench it with water.
Yeah. And thermal crack the inlet.
Yes.
my god. Where's my welding board?
You'll see him running back in a minute.
This one.
There he is. What is that?
This is protection.
How funny would it be if that set on fire?
Don't even joke. Oh, it's like central heating.
Yeah. I hate them clips.
Fucking shit. Oh, no.
Oh, you haven't lost it, have you?
They're a fine art, these, and they come off horrible and they go back on worse.
Yeah, they do. They're a nasty piece of work.
Yeah. Connector. Covered in fuel.
Oh my god.
That is lovely.
That is covered.
Lovely smell of juice. Yeah, it's that top seal. Right.
Have you got a seal?
Might have some spares, yeah.
You didn't use an Audi one, did you?
No. They break.
Oh. Spoiler alert, don't buy an Audi either.
Don't buy Audi, people.
You put that on rate tight.
I did. I did. The concern is though.
You haven't crushed it, have you? You haven't crushed the O-ring.
Why? I've done everything right to your car. Why do you
Get
betray
a
me?
socket on it.
I can get a screwdriver on it.
Yeah.
I can't get to the other one though.
No, people Dremel that out, don't
Oh
they?
no,
To
we
make it
don't have a
easier.
Dremel.
Oh, mine's at home.
You go a nip on.
Oh my god.
We'll get it. In fact, that's probably a bad idea.
Yeah,
Igniting fuel.
Yeah, we not do
How
that.
am I going to get that? You know what I need? That doesn't exist.
What?
Some elbowed mole grips.
That would be really cool.
Mole grips like that.
Yes.
But
Yes, that would be cool.
so I put them on real fucking tight.
Did you use a socket?
No, I use a screwdriver.
Really?
Retard strength.
Oh my god. You've done well to get that.
Used to work in shit.
Oh!
No!
Oh, put it somewhere safe, for goodness
Stay there.
sake.
Oh wait, where's my clip?
Where's that?
It's under the screwdriver.
Oh wow.
Right. I got that out.
Yeah.
The next task is how to...
Oh.
Come here. Just cooperate with me, Carl. I know you don't like me.
I don't think 300s like their owners.
I just don't like anyone. Can you just yeah, definitely that one.
You can hear it.
If I can just twizzle you enough.
I like that word, twizzle. It's a nice word.
I don't think injectors sack. Ooh, ooh. Ooh,
You got it?
please.
Just, yeah, I want to say just try and lift it and just spin it slightly, maybe? If you can.
Just work with me.
It's going to be a bugger to get back in.
We'll come to that bridge when we get to it. I think you are now stuck, aren't you?
Yes.
This is shit.
Aluminium.
Aluminium if you are educated. It's good for a bit.
That would be so easy to Dremel, wouldn't it?
Go and get it.
Oh, it's too far.
You see, if my toolman had turned up, I'd have had a Dremel.
Did you
With Dremel-y bits.
Everyone likes a Dremel bit.
Yeah, which were free with my £300 Dremel.
Wow.
You know, I would have had Dremel-y bits. Where's Lou? Luke, you've got drama. Come to work quick time.
How far does Luke live?
Awkward.
Yeah. Is that far for me? I can't remember.
20 minutes.
9. Hi, Jake.
Hi.
For a bit of time, we finally got the things out, screws, but it is cracked. The injector's cracked.
Don't fit you with injectors, kids.
Mine were used, but really good condition.
These apparently were.
Oh. Yay! Injector. Is it hot?
There it is.
Oh, yeah.
I nicked the seal. Bastard.
It's unfortunate, isn't it? No, don't do that.
Wait. Do you need the cover bit?
Which part?
The plastic bit that I broke off.
It's only a cover, isn't it? Who knows? Who knows?
Ah!
Is it for that to seat properly?
Right. Oh, come walk with me. 'Cause I need to.
Okay.
Oh,
Ah!
car.
Car keys. I'm gonna put coke in your filling. We're off to see the wizard, the wonderful wizard of cars. This is top secret shenanigans. I want to play with these airlines.
I believe Tony's off.
Hey?
I believe Tony's off.
Nice. What did you say? That were electric?
It's electrical contact cleaner. Also good at cleaning injectors that I've found.
Nice. It's a very good multimeter.
Lovely provided from my work. These spare injectors!
Good job you've got the O-rings.
That one's cracked. Fucks. Sit down.
Is that a rail?
It is a
rail.
What about you? You look alright.
I wonder what it's going to test like with the
Must be
O's.
Get rid of them. Don't need them.
I guess you could use the X to smash things up if you got annoyed.
The what?
I guess you could use the X.
Oh, it's disgusting that. Oh, don't.
What?
I think it's alright. That's not a screwdriver. You don't do anything.
It fell in.
Stay there. Clean. I thought I had another one.
No, need to.
No.
No.
Where's the other one?
Oh, your phone's ringing.
Hello?
Yeah.
Because I can't get it to sit in. It's hot. What's it like then, that big building? Is it?
Is that one a second-hand one?
Just cooperate with these. More lube is required. Car's just going to run straight on lubricant. Fuck the fuel. How does one get you to go in? don't want to hit it with a hammer, but I might. Because I can't get it to sit in. It's hot.
What's it like then, that big building? Is it?
Is that one a second-hand one?
Yeah. Just cooperate with these. More lube is required. Car's just going to run straight on lubricant. Not the fuel. How does one get you to go in? I don't want to hit it with a hammer, but I might.
Yeah. That one.
I think I've got it.
Fixed it. Your light looks like it's strobing on here.
Of a mile, turn left onto Worksworth Road, B5023.